Terminal 3. Prepare boarding card, please, for next flights. Which airline, sir? Emirates, Manchester. At the counter, sir. Collect your boarding pass from here. Welcome, sir. Good morning.
K3.
Terminal 3 also. Hi, good morning.
K3?
Yeah, thank you.